Hi there. Check out the Ekong 8-pack solar pathway lights with 12 bright LEDs each for warm, natural lighting. These solar lights are fully powered by the sun and provide over 12 hours of illumination after a full charge. Installation is simple with 2 height options, adjustable poles, and no wiring needed. Rated IP65 waterproof, they withstand rain and snow to keep your outdoor space glowing. Perfect for gardens, patios, driveways, and walkways, they create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Plus, they come with reliable customer support and a risk-free guarantee for your peace of mind. Brighten your outdoor areas effortlessly with these durable, solar-powered garden lights. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.